This conference will now be recorded.
91 points lower for the Nifty.
So there we have some calls, especially in Nifty. Nifty, it's a sell call. Let me just check the chart. Nifty, you can short it below 10115. And we have a call in GRASIM. So again, we have a sell call in GRASIM at 792. So this is yesterday's price. So we'll have to change this. Whatever I had given was tentative prices. So now, since it's a gap down open of 1%, there will be variation in prices. So we'll just add that. We have a call in Vedanta. That's a sell call again. Short at 206.70. We have INFI call. That's again a sell call at 636. Have a call in L&T. It's again a sell. We'll short it below 1999. We have a call in IndusInd Bank. That's again a sell. Entry is 1496. Have a call in Power Grid and Titan. Titan, we can sell it at 777. Power Grid, we have a sell at 189. It's a risky one. So these are some of the calls that we have as of now. Bank Nifty, you can short it below 24835. ADANIPORTS, it's already 309. So we can wait on that. ASIANPAINT is a gap down, so we're not going to do anything there. Axis Bank, we can short it at 5556 or 555, which is the lowest. You can sell it at 555. So the earlier rate was the tentative rate for yesterday's from yesterday's trade. So BAJAJAUTO, I think it's better to avoid BAJAJAUTO as of now. We have BAJAJFINANCE, BAJAJFINSV. Almost all the sectors are in red. Not almost all the sectors are in red. And financial services is down by 0.5%. So we'll just wait till we get an clear indication. Dr. Reddy, we have a clear sell, 2418. So I'll just remove this. Daily is again a gap down. India Bulls 715 was the entry. It's at 699. Pro is a buy call. The target is 313. Tata Motors sell has triggered. Cipla we can wait. Lupin is a buy. That's interesting. Yeah, it's a buy. It's already made its first target, 866. And the next target will be 870. The Reliance, the sell call is triggered. It was the right price. It's got to TCS. So we have some more calls. India Bulls Housing Finance, it's a confirmation of the sell call. India Bulls, the next target is 677 or 680. 680 is your target for India Bulls. And you have Wipro, we have a buy call that's already a confirmation what we have on the main chart. And we have a call in IndusInd Bank sell that's already there. Sorry. 1496, I'll have to refresh it. So there you go, L&T and this one, I did not refresh it, so we did not get that. L&T and HDFC. HDFC we have a sell. So we can short HDFC below 1708. We have L&T call, that's again a confirmation. A sell call confirmation. Pro Indusand, L&T, HDFC, UPL, Hindalco and Power Grid. UPL is again a tricky one. UPL you can short it at 613. Power Grid, we have a confirmation in the longer time duration. That's on a 30-minute chart. You can look for a target of 187, 188 is possible definitely. And 187.50 is another possibility for Power Grid. HEROMOTO, let me just check what's happening in HEROMOTO. So there we had, there is a possibility of a buy here. $2706, 2707. We can exit this. Cipla, I think we should be getting a buy call. So we can avoid Cipla for now. And same for DRREDDY. See, all these prices are tentative prices what I had given yesterday. So let's take the calls when some fresh calls get generated. So that will be better. I mean, considering it's an expiry also, we'll have to be a bit safe trading today. So SBI, the sell has triggered at 253. Now it is at 253.40. There is a possibility of 251 target, and PSU banks are down by 0.5%. So Tata Motors is in profit. TCS is reversing. IndusInd, ITC and L&T, Lupin, India Bulls, BAJAJAUTO, all these are in profits. Worrying thing is only TCS. So let me just check. Okay, TCS, you can exit TCS. We should be getting a buy call on this. So we'll enter the buy side. Let me scan through the trades one by one. Z, I think we have a buy at 440. I think we can buy it at much lesser price. We can buy at 435. So these are risky trades. I mean, I am telling you offhand because today is the expiry also. S Bank will get an buy call. So we'll exit this. Wipro target could anywhere be between 319 and 325 buy call. Vedanta sell, it's still intact, but it has to trigger. UPL already we have entered. Ultratech we can buy above 3,401. Hello. Yeah. So Ultrasamco, I think let's just check the long-term trend. The long-term trend is also a buy and the short-term trend is also a buy. So we can look at an entry price of 3401. So UPL has already triggered 617. Now it is at 615. Oh, Titan is flat. Tech Mahindra, I think again will exit this sell. There's something happening in the IT space. Most of the scripts are reversing, and the index on IT Nifty IT is in green. So we'll be getting some buy calls in IT companies. Infi 63, 653. Okay, we have an buy in TCS. We have a buy in TCS which we were expecting. 1878. 1878 will be our entry for TCS. And we have a sell in BPCL. So we can short it at 276. And we have a sell in Gale. You can short it below 337. HCL Tech we can buy about 986. It's 988 is yesterday's price what I have quoted, but it's still again a buy on a long-term basis. Also, it's a buy, so we can wait on this for a target of 999. HDFC has a support. HDFC Bank, I think it's a bit difficult trade for HDFC Bank. You can short it at 1976. Okay, 1975. HEROMOTO, I told you we can go ahead with the buy. I'll just remove the sell. Let there be no confusion. HINDALCO, we have a sell. We can short it at 225, but it's actually retracing back upwards. Metal index is down by nearly 1%. Anyway, we'll place the price in case if it breaks, then it can. There is always a possibility that we can enter. HINDALCO sell 225. 224.90. Petro, we can enter at 236 buy call. Hindustan Lever also we can enter as a buy call at 1586. Okay, I put a 1587. That's a safe level. India Bulls anyway, it's triggered. ICICI, we have a sell possibility here at 318.40. It has a strong support at 317. So you could look for a small profit there. IndusInd Bank has triggered. It is now at 1489. Long term also it's a sell. Infratel 261 was our entry sell call. Infi, I think we should get a buy. The sell has not triggered. IOC we can enter at 139.40. Okay, 139 is also good for a target of 141.40. ITC we have a sell. It's already triggered. The target could be 285. 1 rupee there, and then if it breaks that support, then it can go down till 283. Kotak is absolutely flat. L&T we have that sell continuing. Lupin has already done its first target, that is 867. So roughly around 4,200 profit in Lupin. The next target for Lupin is 875 in case if it breaks that resistance. M&M we can buy above 742. Maruti, we have a short from yesterday. Let me check the long-term trend. The long-term trend indicates buy, and we have the results coming down on Maruti. So I'll just place this sell continuity, yesterday's sell continuity at 6695 or 6693. So that is Maruti. Reliance is already triggered, so no worry about Reliance. The target will be 1021. So the further 6 points downside is what we can see. And in the long-term chart also, it has broken the S2 level, and it can go anywhere till 1005 also, Reliance. And SBI is flat, but it is still on the short side. And Sun Pharma, okay, Sun Pharma, we should be getting an sell call. Sun Pharma, we can short it at 562.80. So Tata Motors, it's already triggered. So there is a profit of 2.5 points. Tata Steel